Hey there, health enthusiasts! Are you ready to unlock the incredible health benefits of a humble kitchen superhero? That's right. Today we're talking about the vibrant and versatile bell peppers. Get ready to be amazed by the 8 fantastic health benefits they bring to the table. Let's dive right in. Benefit number 1: Nutrient Powerhouse. Bell peppers come in various colors: red, yellow, orange, and green, each packed with different vitamins and minerals. They're a rich source of vitamin C, A, B6, and fiber, making them a nutrient powerhouse for your overall health. Benefit number 2: Weight management. If you're looking to shed a few pounds, bell peppers are your secret weapon. They're low in calories but high in fiber, helping you feel full and satisfied, making it easier to manage your weight. Benefit number 3: Heart health. Protect your heart with bell peppers. They're loaded with potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, and their antioxidants can reduce the risk of heart disease. It's like a heart-healthy potion in every bite. Benefit number 4: Vision booster. Want to keep your vision sharp? Bell peppers are here to save the day. They're rich in vitamin A and beta-carotene, promoting good eye health and reducing the risk of age-related vision problems. Benefit number 5: Immune system support. Boost your immune system naturally. Bell peppers' high vitamin C content helps strengthen your body's defenses against infections. Plus, they taste great in smoothies. Benefit number 6: Skin glow. Achieve that radiant skin you've always wanted with bell peppers. They contain antioxidants that combat skin aging, leaving you with a healthy, glowing complexion. Benefit number 7: Family friendly. Bell peppers are versatile and family friendly. Whether in salads, stir-fries, or stuffed with delicious fillings, they make healthy eating a joy for everyone in your household. Benefit number 8: Economical and accessible. Last but not least, bell peppers are budget-friendly and available year-round. You don't have to break the bank to enjoy these amazing health benefits. So, there you have it, folks. 8 incredible health benefits of bell peppers that will have you reaching for them every day. Whether you're a fitness fanatic, a foodie, or just looking to improve your overall well-being, bell peppers have got you covered. So, grab those colorful veggies, and let's start living a healthier, happier life, one bell pepper at a time. If you found this video as amazing as bell peppers themselves, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, when it comes to your health, bell peppers are the real MVPs. Stay vibrant, stay healthy, and until next time, keep munching those bell peppers.